City. We're crowning the world's next superstar on the finale of Show Us What You Got. Don't go downtown now. Along your car.
What do we got here?
My dear fellow, may I have some assistance, please? I thought I had this trick down, but I've got myself in a bit of a pickle. Please?
Okay. What is this, a handcuff trick or something? This looks crazy. Yeah, maybe if we got with handcuff. Come on, hey!
Magical magic!
Let me out here. What do you...
This won't take long.
Okay, well, no. You can't go in there. You can't go in there. Come back here. Come back here.
Lyle. Not Lyle. Not Lyle. Not good.
This was seriously your plan?
I knew you'd come. Yes. Josh, climb up there and get my rope. Please, you have to get me out of here. Josh? Come on!
Lyle!
Lyle. Lyle.
Help me.
Help me. Lyle. No. Josh. Josh, you have to talk to him. You have to tell him to help me.
It's not me that has to talk to him, Hector. It's you.
But... I realize I may not have always acted in the best way possible, Lyle. But I showed you the world. I introduced you to white truffle oil. I showed you the moon. Okay, fine. I apologize. My behavior was unforgivable. I used you and I abandoned you. And it's my fault you're here, Lyle, but please, you have to come back with me. You have to come back to where you belong. Back to... Back to Josh. And the Prims. To your family.
We gotta get you out of here. Tell me the second part of your plan is better than the first.
It's not better, it's perfect. We've got Evangeline locked up by the gates. We can outrun anyone on her.
Lyle can't just keep running.
Yeah, of course he can. You'd be amazed what you can outrun, Josh. Ex-wives, predators, park rangers.
No, this is not a life. We have to show people what Lyle can do. That they don't have to be scared of him. We gotta show them.
Go. Take Lyle. I've got this. Sorry, not this one. Shoot him! Give me a minute. Prepare to have your flubber truly gasted.
No, we have no one to drive it.
Come on, Josh. Come on.
They're leaving the park. Call the police.
Copy.
Sorry.
How much further? Lyle!
All units, we got a crocodile on a motorcycle entering the theater district.
You got a what?